This is Mr. Hardesty. In our next example, we'll solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. Solve 3x squared plus 4x minus 7 equals 0 by completing the square. To complete the square, we need our lead coefficient, a, to be 1. So the first thing we'll do is divide by 3. And now we'll write x squared plus 4/3 x minus 7/3 equals 0. We'll add 7/3, the constant, to the right side. And as we do that, I am putting in some symbolism, 2 blanks, that will help us to complete the square. We will build a perfect square trinomial on this side, and that constant that we add here will be the same on this side. To do that, we take half of the coefficient on the linear term, and half of 4/3 is 2/3, and we raise it to the second power. 2/3 to the second power is 4/9. What we add here, of course, we need to do to the right side as well. We have built a perfect square trinomial that will factor as x plus 2/3 times x plus 2/3, which we can also write as x plus 2/3 squared. On this side, we have to add 7/3 to 4/9, and that sum is 25/9. Now let's take the square root of both sides, and the square root of x plus 2/3 squared is just x plus 2/3, and the square root of 25/9 is positive or negative 5/3. To get x by itself, we'll subtract 2/3 from both sides, and we'll have solved for x. Now we have 2 solutions to simplify here. 5/3 minus 2/3 and negative 5/3 minus 2/3. This difference is 3/3, which of course is the same as 1. And this difference is negative 7/3. So x can equal 1, or x can equal negative 7/3, and we have our 2 solutions to our original quadratic equation by completing the square.